Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video. And here I have the new Tikee4X, and today I'm very excited to show you the new feature that Enlaps added to this Timelapse camera beast. Hey, I hope you're doing well. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mattia. I'm a professional time-lapse and hyperlapse photographer based in Madrid. And for transparency, I am an Enlaps ambassador and they sent me this camera for review. However, this video is not sponsored and this is my honest opinion. The Tikee4X has all the best features of the Tikee4. It has a 6K resolution, 220 degrees field of view, full autonomy with its built-in solar panel, IP66, long-term monitoring, seamless remote management with the 4G connectivity to access images and data everywhere in the world. So basically the difference between the 4 and the 4X, which by the way X stands for experience, is what Enlaps describe as 4 pillars: X seamless, X clear vision, X real time, and X hassle free. So what does that mean? Well, let's go through them one by one and I'll show you. The first pillar is X seamless. So finally the Tikee4X has the live preview like the Tikee Mini Plus. So instead of waiting for the camera to send the preview to the server and get it back, now through a Wi-Fi connection and then via Bluetooth, the camera has a live preview directly to the app on your phone, which makes it so much easier to frame your shot. Enlaps actually did a clever thing here. When you activate this feature, you can see one lens at a time. So what you can do is frame the left side, then switch to the right one, and you can perfectly see the panoramic preview of the actual frame. Another improvement is the automatic pre-configuration of the APN of your SIM card. Before you needed to find the APN and add it manually, but now the camera automatically adds it the right one for your provider. One less thing to think about it when you are setting up the camera. The second pillar is X Clear Vision. Another feature that was introduced to the Mini Plus is the low light mode, which works amazingly when shooting during the night, at dusk or dawn. You can configure it directly when you are creating a sequence. Then the Tikee4X now has the white balance lock as well. You can choose the white balance that fit the scenes and lock it for the entire time-lapse sequence. Then we have the third pillar, X real time. So until now, when you wanted to do a live stream, there was a 60 seconds limitation. Now with the Tikee4X, you can trigger a live stream and keep it running as long as you need. So with this new feature and technology, you can reduce site visit and basically boost productivity. And the last one is X hassle free. This one is a small feature, but it gives you a peace of mind during the years long time lapse. In the app, you can switch on the daylight auto scheduling, so no more changing the time manually during the time lapses when the sun starts to set or rise later in different seasons. The camera does automatically. So again, it's a small feature, but still one less thing to think about it. And those basically are the key upgrades. Something else worth mentioning is the redesign app, which feels really good. Most of the sequence configuration now are on one page and you don't need to get lost in the app. Another important change in the app for the Tikee4X that I had to mention is the remove play and stop button to start the sequence. I ran some of the masterclass for Enlaps, and something that I noticed is that sometimes people forget to press the play button to start the sequence and wonder why the time-lapse never starts. So by removing the button, there is again one less thing to think about it. The time-lapse sequence starts automatically after 30 seconds of idle. Now you can see when the camera is active or when it's paused while you are making some changes in the camera configuration. So what can I say? I think this is a great update to already great long-term time-lapse camera. These new features are subtle, but make a real difference in a day-to-day workflow. I have worked with the Enlaps camera since 2020, doing construction time lapses for clients, and the technology advancement that Enlaps has achieved in just 6 years is pretty stunning. If you're interested in buying the camera, you can use my discount code. It helps me keep creating videos here on YouTube, so thank you if you use it. I hope you enjoyed this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao, ciao!